Hello, my name is Karen Juliana Lopez Polo. Uh, we not do start side eating important because to have good health and take care of our and body on some athletes take the body to limiting and help better. It it beat the discipline. Uh, also, if you work out and study at the same time, you will better the hospital life and have everything done uh, of of and owns every design and wines some time. I remember why and I was at a school and what I'm to play and for one broke hair and even I and once tried to do all and detail and the most important uh, things thing in the world having time in school they have having good teacher 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 uh, helps to develop different skills uh, while are grow, growing up you have to look between the events therefore you the therefore you and start working and time in you what you can continue studying than university to because the best in in area they will help you to improving things you might don't know and let owner maintain and maintain intake that do not know what you might not working and time thing everything in will work. Thank you.